5 things you can do to create your reality from the quantum field. There I was in my morning routine, and I'm just thinking through what it took for me to get to a point where I could create without constantly efforting. So I'm going to give you 5 tips. Number 1, I get up in the morning, I pray. During my prayer, I set specific intentions of what I want to manifest in life. And then I focus my energy on that, but I'm saying it in a form of a gratitude. I said, God, thank you for allowing me to ABC. Number 2, I visualize myself doing the thing. I actually see myself in command of skills and knowledge sets that I don't currently have, but I visualize it. Number 3, not only do I pray and I'm in a state of gratitude, but then I spend some time meditation and I'm listening. I'm waiting for the download, and I'm anticipating God giving me what I asked for. Not like a vending machine, because everything I'm asking for, I'm doing it because I know if I'm blessed, I can be a blessing. Number 4, I practice something called Qigong, and where I release resistance, I release doubt, I release fear, I release anything that's blocking me from my manifestation. And in 5, I don't listen to my head, I don't listen to my heart, I listen to my gut. I take inspired action in order to take advantage of opportunities that align with my intentions. So the quantum field responds to both intentions and actions. So be proactive in pursuing whatever goal you set. Blessings.